Well, what we've offered in the past has been the training with other technicians and management, the manufacturers classes, the various training that would be put on either by a CalSafe or a NAFED, something like that. We used over the years the Brooks emergency light classes, and we haven't really done any of the other online classes or things, and that's something that we're offering more now. So in the future, I see us using a lot more of the FED classes that are available to our company.
So in the City of Phoenix, we have a very intense training program for all our new inspectors. It's a year-long process to get them from not knowing any code language to actually enforcing the fire code. So it's huge. But then once you're an inspector, we have to do continuing education, and that's part of the program that I also run. We do continuing education every week. I have a different topic to get all my inspectors to keep them fresh, keep them up to date on all the different codes. Now, there's a ton of places you can go outside the fire departments. You can go to the National Fire Academy. There's great classes there for fire inspectors and for fire plan reviewers. NFPA is a great place to go for classes. There's a lot of classes out there. All you have to do is go to Google and you find a ton of classes out there.
My manager just instituted this in-house training program. We're building a training for alarm panels, suppression releasing panels. We're actually building mock-ups to train guys before they go into the field. And a lot of it's in-house. We have our own learning management system in Johnson Controls. It's a huge library.
Now in the digital world, where you can do virtual trainings, all of our guys sit through and watch virtual training. We have some training boards of all the different systems at our shop, hands-on. Everybody learns different, so we try to have all the resources available depending on the person's strength of how they learn and how they train, and partner with companies like Brooks that have resources, the fire talks, get as much product info to the techs, but not overbearing to where it's just too much overload, but just enough.
One of the big things that we utilize is we're a solid member of the Fire Suppression Systems Association, or FSSA, and they have an amazing online training program for our technicians as well as project managers. So that's kind of where we lead. When we bring somebody in, regardless of their level of knowledge, whether it's a lot of fire protection knowledge or very little, we put them through that training and help them understand that, as well as using other associations like NFPA training and so forth that can help them learn and understand more about what we do in fire protection.